Now connect the AC supply to 20 volt. Connect the P terminal, and here is new N terminal, and left side MCB of single phase is off condition. And now single phase on panel, this DPM on. Now firstly application of bulb, connect to here, and this cartridge fuse connected this terminal of bulb. After glow the bulb 220 volt with fuse, and switch off the instrument and remove the leads here. And now experiment of cartridge fuse, and again switch on the instrument. And now current output is sorted for, here is current set according to the cartridge fuse maximum, and then test the switch and see the current here set 60 ampere. And now remove the leads and connect to the cartridge fuse, and here, and this current, and this is timer, and press the switch on timer here. And now increase the current capacity of fuse. Here is heating noted ampere to timer read note, and will be reset the timer, and according to the manual, and between graph a meter reading and timer on fuse burn. All fuse are operated same.